In this video, we will see how to fix if next and previous buttons not working on your Windows 11 10. If you are using Windows system and keyboard next and previous button not working, then here are the fixes. Right click on start button and choose restart your system. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve various minor or major issue of your system. So you must reboot your system and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose device manager. Basically it's a keyboard related issues. So here in device manager windows, go to expand keyboard section, right click on your installed keyboard and choose update driver. Update keyboard driver. How do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Click on this option and let the window complete the updating process of your keyboard driver and check whether next and previous button of your keyboard working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose settings. Here from the left side, go to time and language. Thereafter go to right side and here choose typing. Click on this option, typing. Here scroll down and under related settings, just before related settings, advanced keyboard settings you will find, and here override for default input method, make sure that this option is set as use language list recommended. So this feature should be set as override for default input method under Windows settings page, and check whether next and previous button of your keyboard working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button and choose device manager again, and here expand keyboard section, right select your keyboard driver, right click on it and choose properties. Here from the top menu bar, go to power management and make the check against option allow this device to wake the computer. You must ensure that this feature is duly checked and press OK. And check whether next and previous button of your keyboard in your Windows 11 and 10 system working or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on start button, choose settings, and here from the left side go to Windows Update, and from the right side choose check for updates, and any pending action required against update available update, then fulfill them. Sometimes outdated operating system may be a cause of various type of issues. Also scroll down and go to advanced options, and here scroll down and choose optional updates, and if any optional update also available, then download and install it in your system. And check whether your keyboard next and previous button working or not. If not, one more fixes, go to Windows search and type CMD and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode, and in command prompt windows execute the command sfc/scan now and press enter. It will scan your system. Beginning system scan, this process will take some times. Beginning verification phase of system verification complete, wait till 100% verification complete, and after that don't forget to restart your system, and your next and previous button of your keyboard definitely working.